What's up guys? So I just got done weeding. So yesterday it took a little bit of time to get the right sizing down because I was going back and forth with my client about the sizing of their logos. So these hats are made by Otto, I think that's how you pronounce it, I'm not sure. These are the foam trucker 5-panel caps. I've never pressed on foam, so I'm gonna see how this goes. I got extras just in case because I don't want it to crease, because I know these foam hats will crease on the hat press. So I'm gonna go ahead and play with it right now. I have one sitting on the hat press already. I'm gonna have to go ahead and make the pressure very light, and I might not even clamp it down. I might just hold it above just because I'm not really sure how easy these hats are gonna crease. So I also did put a foam padding underneath it as well, so hopefully that helps. But this is why we buy extra hats, just to try on error and make sure we get it down right. So yeah, let's get right to it.
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody.
right, so that took way longer than I really wanted to. I backed up on the pressure by a lot. Basically, there was like barely any pressure. And I also obviously pressed it for way longer. So there aren't any creases, which is great. But so there's actually two different brands of hats in this bundle. So one is the Otto and the other one I can't really remember because my client sent it to me. So the navy blue hats are a bit thicker. I think they're better. I actually think they're actually made better than the Otto ones. But that one does need more attention. That one does burn a little bit easier. That one does crease a little bit more. But anyways, they're right behind me. Everything is done. So the whole gang is here.